Hello there, this is Mark with TTS Tutorials, and today we're going to be talking about VirusTotal. It's a really good website to check out if a website is safe, or if you had a link sent to you in an email to make sure that everything's safe, and also if you've ever had a file sent to you and you want to make sure that it's not malicious or dangerous for you. So yeah, let's get into it. So you're gonna go to VirusTotal. So this is the link up here. Don't worry about all that. So you're gonna do VirusTotal.com, and once you're there, you're gonna have file, URL, and search. File is gonna be for files. So let's say choose file. You're gonna browse to where you need to go. This would be your downloads or your desktop, wherever you have the file. So let's say you have something like I have Minecraft over here. So any program, just double click on it. It'll tell you if it's safe or not. Right now we're in the green, it's safe. Let's say I downloaded something that wasn't good for me. Well, then it's going to be in the red. This is not good. We don't want to open this. We don't want to have this anywhere near us. You can delete that and forget about it. Let's say we had a link to a website. Google.com. So over here we know this is safe. So we can see, oh yeah, this is a good website I can go to. But let's just say we had a link in our email sending us to this website. We could see here that it's red and we don't want to go here, so we would not click on that link. So anyways, this was a quick video. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you. See you next time.